Guys, okay guys, today's topic is purchasing and modifying the second hand car under 5 lakh rupees, means to purchasing also and modifying also the second hand car under 5 lakh rupees. I have listed the 10 car only for you. The first car is going to, this is the first car, Chevy Cruze. This car is very high rated luxurious car in the segment. This car you can get in the 1 lakh price range to 2 lakh price range, because this car company is totally shuttered in India. You can do many modification in the car headlamp just shown in the image. You can fix the many DRLs, projector headlamps in the car headlamp that are very big and bold, that like shown in the image. You can fit the alloy wheel, like this is the company's alloy, but you can fit the aftermarket getting alloy like seen in this image that look very bold. And you can fix the seat cover and you can modify the interior very nicely. You can fix the ambient lighting in the Chevy Cruze interior. It is very big and bold and spacious. It looks very good. Ambient lighting in the Chevy Cruze interior is very looking fabulous after ambient lighting work. You can do mirror light and door light in Chevy Cruze interior. It look very premium. You can do much more modification in Chevy Cruze interior as per your wish and as per your choice. You can do many modification like grill modification. Our next car is very popular and everyone knows that is Swift. You can get very easily this car from second-hand car dealer or online from OLX or any other app would you like. This car price will go around like 3 lakh to 4 lakh. You can do many modifications Swift, like bumper modification, headlamp modification, alloys modification. You can do the color paper wrap modification, like in this image. You can do the spoiler modification of rear headlamps, spoiler, alloy. You can do the black windows. You can modify the Swift grill and all the lots of things you can. आप स्विफ्ट के इंटीरियर में बहुत सारी मॉडिफिकेशन करवा सकते हैं, जैसे कि आप लेदर रैप सीट करवा सकते हो, वाइट रेड में इंटीरियर बनवा सकते हो, स्टीयरिंग लेदर रैप करवा सकते हो, उसके बाद वुडन फिनिशिंग करवा सकते हो जैसे इस इमेज में दिख रहा है। उसके बाद आप ब्राउनिश कलर में सब इंटीरियर बनवा सकते हो, लेदर रैप स्टीयरिंग। गाइज आप स्विफ्ट में पेडल लैंप हो गए, डोर लैंप्स हो गए, एलईडी स्ट्रिप्स हो गए, एमिनेट लाइटिंग हुई, ये सब करवा सकते हो। बहुत ही अच्छे दिखते हैं और लुक इनहैंस करते हैं स्विफ्ट। ओके गाइज, आवर नेक्स्ट कार इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी फेमस कार. It is our next car is Alto. It is very nice car. You can get very easily in the aftermarket or by dealer. Its price is very negotiable. You can do much modification in Alto, such as alloy modification, rear bumper modification, front bumper modification, grille modification, headlight modifications. You can do many modification in Alto image, such as ambient lighting, interior change, all you can. Our next and the fourth car is going to be very good car, that is the Wagoner. You can get this car in very low budget and very easily in the aftermarket, because this car, you can get this car in the 2 or 3 lakh budget and you can do many modification on the Wagoner. Do the music system modification in the Wagoner, the heaviest music system, subwoofer and boofer. Then you can do the grill modification, bumper modification, headlamp modification. Then you can do interior modification such shown in the image, steering wrap. Then you can do the HD stereo, means the HD display, HD system. Then you can do the headlamp modification such as DRL, projected headlamp. Then you can do like this double DRL projected headlamp with the DRL circle shape. Many modification of Wagoner, such as color paper wrap, exterior, mirror lights, door lights. Such modification you can do. Black windows. Our next and fifth car is going to be a very nice car, that is Tata Tiago. You can do many modification on Tata Tiago, just like this variant. This is JTP variant that was launched by Tata. That was the sports edition of Tata Tiago. You can do many modification on it. The rear headlamp modification of Tata Tiago, LED modification, look very nice. And the alloy of the Tata Tiago JTP variant you can get easily in the aftermarket from anyone. This is the Tata Tiago original interior. It look very beautiful and very nice. This is the modified interior of Tata Tiago. It also look very beautiful, black and red combination. This is the Tata Tiago LED lights modification in interior. It look very beautiful. This is the interior modification of Tata Tiago. It also look very beautiful. Ambient light it's called. This is the door light and mirror light modification of Tata Tiago. It look very premium in Tata. You can do very simple modification of Tata Tiago, such as the red and black combination. It look very nice. The headlamp modification, projector headlamp, DRLs are given their look. Modification are best for Tata Tiago. Not need to do more modification.
Guys, let's go for the next car, that is from Tata only, and the sixth car, that is Tata Tigor. That is the very beautiful sedan. It look very nice. That is the sedan version of the Tata Tiago. It is very nice car for Tiago in the 3 to 4 lakh rupees from the aftermarket dealers or anywhere. You can do the such heaviest modification in the Tata Tigor, or you want to do simple, you can do the ambient lighting in Tata Tigor. Interior look very beautiful. You can do the headlight setup such as indicators, projected headlamp, DRLs, all that you can do. The door lamps, the mirror lamps, you can do the interior lights, all that you can do. Our new and the sixth car is from Honda, that is the Honda City. That is very beautiful car and very nice car for modifying. The best sedan for modifying that will get easily in the aftermarket. For the price range of 2 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees, you can modify the radium modification, headlight modification, alloy modification, bumper modification. You can color paper wrap the car if you don't want to paint. Then you can do the rear bumper modification, rear headlight modifications, all that you can do. Exhaust modification, you can do rear spoiler modification. Modification like this headlight setup, DRLs are given, projected headlamps. You can do the radium modification like this, but it is very much, but then also it looks. This is the 2013 Honda City interior. You can do modification on it such as fully black interior or the interior light, ambient light. You can do the modification like mirror light, door light, or interior light also. Our next and the eighth car is going to be from Honda family, that is the Honda Civic. This is the 2010 to 2014 model Honda Civic. You can get easily in the market for the price range of 1,50,000 to 2 lakh rupees. You can modify the headlamp like the DRL projector headlamp and the one halogen headlamp. You can color paper wrap the car for green or any color you like. You can do it look very nice. Rear bumper modification, dual silencer, exhaust, radium for the dual tone also, and look enhancing of the car. You can see in the next images how the radium is giving the enhancing looks to the car. I think radium is very nice for the cars. Our new and the ninth car is from the Maruti's family, that top of second hand. You can get this car in the very nice price budget, that is 2 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees. Modify the car like this. Because of this is the color paper wrap. It look very beautiful, and you can add the alloy to car. It looks enhancing and the look sporty also. You can modify the Celerio's tire like this shown in the image. If you like, you modify. This is the Celerio's original interior. You can see that. If you want to modify, you can modify like this, or if which color you want, you can modify on that. You also can do the such simple modification of mostly black windows, grill change, and the alloy. You can do it. It also look very beautiful and very. This is our Okay guys, this is our 10th car. You can get this car easily in the aftermarket at second hand market. This car is Hyundai Ascent. This car price range will be 1,50,000 to. Guys, you can do the heaviest modification on Hyundai Ascent such as a color change, headlight change, bumper change, grill change, alloy change. In this color you can see the grill and bumper are changed, tire also changed. In this color only tire and alloy are changed, but car is looking very awesome. In next image you can see the color paper wrap is done, but then also car is looking very good. You can change the interior. See, the interior is looking very fabulous. In next image also interior is looking very fabulous. It's very nice color. You can also take into your car. You can also add the spoiler to the car. It look very nice and very fabulous. You can also add the grill, front grill change to the car, and the whole bumper is changed. You can also add the sunroof. Okay guys, for today this much only. If you like video, then press like button. If you dislike, what you have disliked, please tell me in comment section, and subscribe my channel and support me. If you want any video about modifications totally, you can tell me in comment section. I will make for you.